We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam, and I'm working with the Brother MFC 7460DN. So there's only a couple places with this printer that you will see some jams. So the first place I like to check with this printer is going to be under my toner and drum. So go ahead and pull that out. If it's down here, you'll see it right in here, and you should just be able to pull it up and out. Anytime you are clearing a paper jam, you need to go slow and you need to be very gentle when you're pulling it out. If you yank really hard and pull really fast, it could damage a sensor or rip some pieces of paper off in there. Both of those are going to result in more jams. So after you check there, just put your stuff back in there. The next place you want to check is going to be the back. So you would just open this right here, and then this one would be really simple. Just pull it up and out. Remember, go slow and be gentle. Last but not least, you're going to want to look right in here. This one is pretty simple as well. Just make sure you pull slowly and gently. If you're seeing lots of jams, it's probably time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.